So this is Shiva Parvati, and these 7 Maharshis are invoking the Shiva and Parvati to give them the guidance and the power to tell about the Jatakas.
Who has done this?
There is one Hiremat. There is another work by Hiremat. This is the Gurukul of Bhrigu Maharshi. Bhrigu and Shukracharya, they are all reading this, and these are the disciples with the background of the teacher. Shukra.
So this is the leaf size of the leaf. It was taken out on 7th of May last year, 2010. And that happens to be my parents' 50th wedding anniversary also. That was also reflected in this leaves with all my details actually. It has come in that. And it was taken out in Pune Goregaon Park, both the sides. And they have given it to us actually.
So he's my Air Force colleague, Group Captain Rakesh Dana.
I had an opportunity of meeting you almost about 7 years ago, sir. In your office I had come.
So these are other leaves which are given for the study of the. This is, for example, my leaf which was there in Rameshwaram. In the Rameshwaram reading was done. So these are the 2 leaves.
You will get it from there.
Yes, and there is something which is connected with this, that it is Rakesh is commanding officer on the MCO, that is on the Bangalore Kant railway station. His office is there, and he has opened up there is one Sarvadharma temple which he has built, which is generally not possible for any officer or armed forces guy to open with the temple. That is the Sai Baba temple. And in that, when these leaves were kept, after some time, the Vibhuti has appeared on that.
Complete leaves are with so much of Vibhuti came.
So that
Temple at Cantonment, Bangalore Cantonment railway station.
So his principal Chikundar, he is one of the eminent principals who has formed various ITIs in Maharashtra.
That's true that
Well done. Sir, this is our contribution at Castle. This is a compilation of all our activities. This is Dr. Rajendra Patel. He is one of the new entrants as we have met here in your office. This is the trophy which we had presented in 2007. Let me now introduce, you stand here only so that we don't have to come. You will be there. This is Vikram Phadke. He is one of our stalwart managers. Vikram Phadke. And he is also colleague of Amit. Amit had some other commitment. Therefore, he was here. We have introduced. This lady is Medha Gokhale. She wants to produce a film on Nadi Collectors. So
you told me that.
Yes. She is in person, she is here. We are trying and making all the arrangements. We have introduced Dr. Dole. He is Dr. Advocate Shankar Nikar. He is expert in Mantra Shastra. He has already given a small interview. And his work is monumental work, and probably is one of the persons with modern thoughts and modern gadgets. He wants to promote and propagate the importance and significance of chanting of mantras. His many books are there.
त्यांचा थोडक्यात परिचय डॉक्टरांचा देतो. लिडिंग होमिओपॅथ सोशल वर्क खूप करतात. ते मूळचे नारायण गावचे आहेत. तिथे एक हाय हॉस्पिटल मोठं काढलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक गरीब माणसाला रिमोट प्लेसमधून स्वतःच्या खर्चाने 5 स्टार ॲम्ब्युलन्समधून आणायचे. त्याचं संबंध ऑपरेशन करून लेन्स बसवून जेवाय खायला घालून परत त्याला तिथे नेऊन सोडायचं. ₹1 नाही.
85,000 ऑपरेशन केले आणि 12 आय सर्जन रेसिडेंट होतात.
बरं आय सर्जन तिथे आहे.
24 तास तिथं कामाला 12.
पुण्यातही नाहीत अशा मशिनरी गोळ्या पिटवतात. एकदा तुम्ही यायचं आहे तिथे.
Welcome, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar sir, for this workshop 2011 dedicated to Maharshi Agastya and Lopamudra. In this workshop, we have taken a lot of interviews of the Nadi lovers, and we are going to conclude this our interview session and our workshop with your interview. To begin with, I would like to thank you for coming here all the way. And also thank you for providing or giving us your place of your work in Aikya Bharati. Sir, this Nadi Granthas and your interaction or your introduction, we would like to know that you should throw some light. How did you come to know about these Nadis?
Wing Commander, so I'm very pleased to meet the Nadi Lovers group which you organized and the workshop which you organized. My introduction to Nadi Granthas and the whole this science of Nadi, I would say, has been rather very interesting. The other day, just yesterday, I was with Sri Bahari Malhotra. He phoned me one day and told me and that have you heard of Nadi Granthas? Which I said no. So this was 6 years back. And he said that I'm amazed to see these Nadis, and I have just read my Nadi. And I'm so amazed and so awed by the whole thing, whole experience, that as a scientist, I would like to invite you and throw some light on this. So I was invited. I went there to Kalyan Nagar at that time. And then I was introduced, of course, and the whole experience, of course, was new to me. And when I went to that process, and they started searching, and I of course after the thumb impression, that regular process, it took some time. It took quite some time to really to match what they go with some. And then when the Nadi was found, first I was absolutely taken aback, coming from a computer science person, that this is like for me, it's like a whole database of something like that kind of thing, or information base or knowledge base, and they are able to find my Nadi based on just some thumb impressions. I'm just going to that particular book in the library, nothing beyond that. And then you find the book and you start reading that book. First thing is that finding my name. My name, of course, they found my name. And more importantly, my mother's name. My mother's name, which came both before marriage and after the marriage. So Shakuntala and Nirmala. So that was absolutely surprising. It was my father's name. And of course, at that time, somehow, my date of birth, which I had some little doubt at the time, is 11th of October 46, but I didn't know it was what time it was. Exactly, that was not known. And I was feared. I was really wanted to know what was the really time of birth, and which I tried to cross-verify with my village at that time who were present, and they said somehow midnight, and it came somehow during that time, and then that whole Kundali was actually laid out to me at the time. And they said so many things about this, what I was doing at that time. This was my first experience.